Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The ContentAware Move tool lets you quickly recompose images without layering or having to make slow, precise selections. You can use its Extend mode to expand or contract objects like hair, trees, or clouds. Move mode lets you place objects in completely different locations and then attempts to fill in the remaining area using data from the rest of the image. This is accomplished most effectively when the background remains similar. To use this feature, select the ContentAware Move tool from the toolbox. Then in the Tool Options bar, click to choose what type of selection you want to make: New, Add to Selection, Subtract from Selection, or Intersect with Selection. Then click to choose to either extend or move the selection that you will make. You can use the healing slider to tell elements how much area to consider when blending the object into its new location and filling the spot where it was. If Elements uses too much information from around the selection, just move the slider to the left to decrease the data it is using. Then use the tool to click and drag to make your selection. Once the selection is made, click into the middle of the selection and drag and release it in its new location.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.